All right, we're at the range today with the FPC 22. 10 rounds, put it in there. I'm going to use the bolt catch as the release. Fairly easy. There's 15 rounds in here. We'll go as quick as we can on this one to show you what it is or what it does. Not a single failure, stays open. Take out the mag. Let's get the other mag. Put it in. And we'll do a little bit of slow fire on it. It's actually working really good. Love this thing. Drop it first. All I'm using is this right here. My last 10 rounds. Let's see what it does too. So far, everything's been working great. Been using the bolt catch here as my drop. Do it again. I will say, I will give this gun 5 stars. Love it. Probably the most fun 22 I've had. If you're looking for one, go get one. Bye.